friends, it's Miss Caroline again. I thought that today I would show you how to make a shaky egg so that you can use it to sing along with one of our favorite songs, I Know a Chicken. I'm going to put a link to the song below this video so that you can check it out and listen at home as many times as you want. And don't worry if you don't have an egg, because there's lots of other things that you can use to make a shaker, and I'll show you in this video. Let's get started. To make your shaky egg, the easiest way to do this is with an Easter egg that you might have at home. But if you don't have one of these, you could also use a toilet paper or paper towel tube or a can or even a bottle that you might have in your kitchen. So there's lots of different ways to do this. Aside from your containers, you're also going to need some rice or some beans and a spoon. You'll need some tin foil if you are using a can or a tube or something that does not have a lid, and you will need some tape. So for the egg, all you have to do is open it up and put a little bit of rice in. So I'm going to fill mine about halfway up on one side, close it up, and you have a shaky egg. But a good idea is to tape around your egg so that it doesn't open up while you're shaking it. So to do that, you could grab a little bit of duct tape, or really any kind of tape that you have at home will work. And we're going to tear this just to make it a little thinner. And then you can just put it around your egg. Wrap it all the way around, just like that. And there you go, a shaky egg. And another fun thing to do is to decorate this or color on it with stickers or markers. That would be really fun. All right, and then the other way, if you're using a toilet paper tube or another kind of can, is, again, you're going to take your rice and you're going to put some of this in there. Fill it up about halfway. Like that. And then you're going to need to put your tin foil on top. That way it holds all that rice in place so that it doesn't come out. And again, you want to use your piece of tape and go around the outside with it. So I'm going to take mine and press it all the way around my tube so that my rice doesn't come flying out. And again, you could decorate this with markers or stickers to make it really pretty. And you can shake it, just like a shaky egg. So there, we have two different kinds of shakers that you can use. And I would love to see some pictures of the ones that you make at home. So be sure to send me some photos. All right, thanks friends, bye-bye.